Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, the only vice president historically. Yen to me any other vice president be a and to turn home and I'm na Juma den the name dear na hobrasie ni nyansa ene kwan ofa so a bere obedi president to omanmu obedi vice president to omanmu enuma oyema yehu ye ntino there is nobody a yebetumi de no a compare vice president Efere Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia and I'm quite titles so far so who do the office of the vice president. Etienne Dr. Bawumia ekopie mu ewo bono ahafo ene ne mantan mu oye ne campaign. Now you can feel the love amanfo showcase no ho edemano and ebedi nkomo afa sa ensem ho de course ho ebedi nkomo afa sabio Yewra kene de Japan so a oye ni campaign so a niam bi firi mu ba asen central delegation so ba bonten de so mo ni kene Japan ene bibia aka because emfie dodo na obedi ampi e wo mo constituency ho no wantumi anya hwe ama won adwuma a so wa bie no omi ebi wo mu krum mo ni adwuma ye ka kwan po wa ye bi ama won sansem ni nyina bebo ne ne atie na yetie nsem ahodo so a eba mu a ekire se the NDC is actually afraid of you, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Enti waba me mwakwa aba meso setna sinyanto bwase na menu nyina ye nche dwumade we eni ha ras media se wunya en subscribe ya meso se subscribe fansa esi adoma no so like video no share na ono adofo entumi enya video we enche emfa enye nipa bone onko a manche emfa na mbom no bo modere se woni onamfofo wadofo ohu nipa no nyina obetumi ache video we afa kwan obefa so obetumi se obebo modere na obe share video no na video na timi akona nim yemkom na yemfa nkomodie no enhya ase Oscar Okante me mwakwa pa mwakwa ye abusiamfo na me ma me Diana appear so say good evening beautiful family mama you're welcome abusia doctor ne ho dance die no ye nya da o we are not going to stop it no because every day every way everywhere there are more things about on say papa no wa me nya na ye be mana we ni massively because ye say papa we be di MPP amanyo konanima 2028 about no it will be very 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 easy for the MPP to recapture power and lead the country called MPP. Nina na say enye tumi no nko a ene ya de bia say bi o say bi MPP fo ene sabre we mu ye ni de akire na mbom no ye ni esanso di how I betumi build the basis of our party. Ye benya nipa obetumi di nkabom obetumi build the rules of the party na manage na nan so na sabi enya tumi a yetumi manage tumi ni ye na nkwankonko ye tintintinti enipa ba akufo bi na tumi abede nsam. That is why we are selling Dr. Bawumia to you hardly. That is why we are doing all what we are doing. Enti ensem we hu nsem nema we na beka ho asem na ye be kire how doctor is being loved, the attitude of doctor said the enkwada mpohia na omo ede eni die ma no kwanye ono so fa so e receive nkura sansem we nyina enenne ya bone dawuro se ye de ya bone tofa se ye de bremo na eni mu nyina ache abato no de opew 2026 31 January no ebeba so na ebeba so so de na ye bompa ye ebo ye homodel se papa na wiase amansan nyina ado no wiase amansan nyina agina tum se ye kanim de ne amanyo ne aman oman chichiriye omanya ohwe future papa no agidin pa ubaburo chiri nyina amanfo eguso ebo din sa papa no na ye ton no e de ama na ye ton no na ye ka ne ho nsem so e de chiro ne ye de ne compare enkrofo mo ne esi akan ye de omo compare na won so wahu the good and the bad among themselves. Abusia, I have this video which I want to share with you, and it is very very important that you listen to the whole video. Yanko.
he was quick say or back can send be for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia who are blaming in the but we see the interesting thing is born now by a basso say dollar number 10 CD no or bonkophobia said or President Mohammedi ebo governor Esiamadi and obo atufo sindi I don't know one bona na je opoku ajimadi and one money say ono na ma dollar no
you can argue say
so ono na ma dollar no
Mahama on form economic management
so ono na ma dollar no but so him say by tradition usually the economic management by convention
yeah but it is always announced no
but by convention him say every government has an economic management
cabinet has an economic subcommittee
yes
but EMT properly so under this government no form
but cabinet has a committee the economic advisory subcommittee
yes.
Which is chaired by the vice president by convention chaired by the vice president.
I don't know that for a fact.
No, by convention it is chaired by the vice president. I don't know how say a advisory role no. So what you say by convention it's chaired by the Argentina vice president needing say or no na dollar na kwa. You see about the fact say vice president need a real role no a matter of public knowledge. In fact a matter of constitutional matter. It's no better